इलेक्शन कमीशन का काम होता है क्या वोटर आईडी बनाना? वो तो बीएलओ का काम होता है।
12 पॉलिटिकल पार्टी कहाँ है, उनका बीएलए कहाँ है, वो कहाँ है बीएलओ
बूथ लेवल ऑफिसर्स।
ये पूरा खेल बीएलए और बीएलओ का है।
मीनाक्षी खट्टर बीएलओ PS 147।
BLO। अरे भाई रुक, कौन है ये लोग? Do you have the same question too? Great, because turns out no one told us this. Something that voters should know during election season. BLO माने booth level officer and BLA माने booth level agent. But now to understand them better, let's address the big B in both BLA and BLO. Booth, that is polling booth, जहाँ शुरू होती है हमारी democracy की कहानी. And yeah, we have a giant election system, and the polling booth is the smallest unit here, which contains maximum up to 1,200 voters per booth. And that brings us to voters. Now say you are registered as a voter in Bihar's Bodh Gaya Assembly polling booth number 6. तो जहाँ भी जाओ, you will always remain a part of Bodh Gaya's polling booth number 6 electoral list unless you migrate, shift addresses or die. And don't forget this. Be it Vidhan Sabha या Lok Sabha election, your name will always be a part of the same electoral list. Now coming back to the heroes of Indian elections, BLAs and BLOs. Let's break down the 4 key stakeholders that these heroes represent. The Election Commission of India and the state election commissions, the state government, political parties, and of course you, the voter. Yes, that humble list that contains not only your name but also your registered address. You could be registered as Indu Kumari or even mysteriously registered as Billy Kumari. But wait, now the obvious question is, what ties the BLAs and the BLOs with the 4 stakeholders and this electoral list? Let me explain that to you using a story. Meet Sita, a booth level officer in West Champaran, Bihar. And by the way, she is a full-time Anganwadi teacher. But now she is working in Bihar's electoral roll revision. And like her, all BLOs are either government employees or staff of local authorities or public service undertakings. They are appointed by electoral registration officers or AEROs. Now, if you don't know who these people are, don't worry, we got you. Go down to the caption and find our video on electoral list preparation in India linked below. अब सीता का काम क्या है as BLO? Well, her work is all about meticulous election record keeping. And she has to undertake door-to-door verification during the electoral revision period. She has to update the electoral roll, add new voters, check for changes in addresses, delete duplicate voters, delete those who have passed away, and fix errors. Also, ये कोई side hustle नहीं है. It's a government duty which demands so much effort and a lot of attention, for which Sita receives a nominal honorarium. Broadly, that's our BLO Sita, and relax like her. Hope कुछ clarity आ रही है. But now let's go to BLAs, the heroes of the political parties, the first and the last person on the ground, so to speak. BLA, booth level agents, political party के reps on the ground and BLOs की permanent साथीस. Since 2008, each booth has had them in the story to enhance grassroots level participation by recognized political parties during electoral roll exercises. Milye Mukesh se. He also resides in West Champaran and votes in the same polling booth as Sita, the BLO. Now you'll ask, how did Mukesh become a BLA? Well, he is a registered party worker holding no government post, and he was authorized through an appointment by the state's party president, secretary or office bearer. And like Mukesh, every political party appoints thousands of BLAs in each state, and they represent the third stakeholder, which is political parties. Now BLAs, unlike BLOs, are partisan, and that is actually the very goal of their existence. Now they balance out the election process by ensuring that no voter is missed out, especially those who vote or might vote for their respective party. Mukesh and many other BLAs like him are important because they are the common link between the political parties, ECI or state election commissions, and you, the voter. So Mukesh's job is to ensure that his political party receives every single vote possible. And for that to happen, the first step is to ensure that the draft electoral list is updated properly. Firstly, BLA Mukesh gets free access to the relevant parts electoral list from the BLO or the designated officer upon production of the appointment letter. Then he begins house-to-house survey or any other method to cross-check, verify or update the voter information based off of the draft electoral list. On specific campaign days during electoral roll revision, the BLOs sit with the BLAs to identify corrections for which the BLA submits a written undertaking to avoid falsifying information and to take responsibility. And also make note of this, the BLAs guide the public to file applications, claims or objections with regard to the electoral list, their names or even the lack of. And ek din mein, BLA can give up to 10 correction forms to the BLO, again with signed undertaking. And also get this, during revision period, if a BLA submits more than 30 forms in a month, then the electoral registration officer gets involved to cross-verify these forms. And yeah, both Sita and Mukesh are liable for any mistakes that they might make. And if you're wondering how that works, it's because when they submit forms with an undertaking, they're also very much answerable to law under Section 31 of the RPA Act. और ये है पूरी रामकथा of BLAs and BLOs, as crisp, as detailed as possible. But wait, why did we tell you all of this? Well, it's important for you to know that India के बड़े से बड़ा इलेक्शन का फैसला उन लोगों के हाथ में होता है जिनका नाम आपने शायद कभी सुना भी नहीं. And if you've stuck around, here are two things that we'd like to leave you with. One, congratulations, you're officially smarter about how elections work. And two, tell us in the comments what you'd like for us to unpack next. And come back soon for your daily democracy darshan. Namaste.